New cold air intake kit for the work truck. Let's get to it. Guys, thanks for joining me on another video. Today I'm going to be doing a cold air intake kit on my F350. This is an aftermarket cheap eBay special from China. It runs about 49 bucks. The reason I'm not doing a very expensive one because it is my work truck. I'm not going to put $200 in a cold air intake kit. I already have one on there now, but I'm using stock parts and it's just not staying in place, as I'll show you here in a second. But yeah, I'm going to go with this one. See if I can make it work. If I can, great, for 45 bucks. Most important that this is a washable filter, so I can wash it, reuse it. That's the most important part. All these other components are not really important. You can actually piece one together if you want. But I seen this on eBay, so I thought I would grab it, check it out, see if it's really worth the money, and see if it holds up. All right, so let's get to it. This is an aftermarket filter that I bought. As you could see, it's a small one. It's probably about 4 inches to 5 inches. This is an actual PVC pipe painted black. And I am using my stock boot right here. And that goes into the turbo to the aluminum fitting here. But this stuff, it's not sturdy enough. You know, there's no support. So what I was doing is I was holding it up with a bungee, and what would happen is sometimes the bungee would break. It would hit my wheel well cover here and suck up that fiberglass insulation shit in the filter. It'd get dirty really quick. So that's why I want to see if this solution that I got off of eBay for 45 bucks will work. If it works, great. If not, I'm going to send it back and try to figure something else out here for this. Like I said, this is my work truck. I'm not going to go spending 250 bucks, 300 bucks, whatever these damn intake kits cost, because it is a work truck. If this was a 2016 and up newer truck, I wouldn't mind doing it because I know, I'm going to have that truck for a very long time. Work truck here, this could take a shit the next day, next week, might not be able to fix it, might have to get another one. So that's why I'm going with a cheaper setup. I'll see how it works. I'll definitely give you feedback if it holds up, but let's get to it and see if we could make it work. Because the funny thing is, this kit, they don't have one for a 94 to 96 OBS style. This kit that I purchased off of eBay, it lists for a 99 to a 03. But it's very similar. I looked it over, and I think I could make it work. I'm pretty sure I can make it work. I'm 99% sure it's going to work. If it does, awesome. But let's get to it. So we're going to get to it now and get it all apart and see if we can make it work. So one thing I did notice on this little straight tube here that I'm using in PVC, this is aluminum, is there was a hole right here. Now I don't know if the 99 to 03s, they might have some kind of sensor near the intake of the turbo, but I did put a simple cap in there to block it off. A little bit of glue, fix that problem. And let's get to assembling it. Everything looks good. The only thing I have done so far is plug up that little hole underneath there. Like I said, it might be some kind of sensor in the 99 to 03 that is near the turbo. I don't know. But a simple little plug, 5-minute fix. So we're good to go. So let's continue. All right, so there it is. There you go. The only thing I have left is put my cone air filter in. And everything fit good. The only thing is remember you have a hole underneath here you need to plug up. This tube could be about 1.5 inches longer. What I had to do is I had to give myself about 1/4 inch on each boot, meaning I didn't slide the pipe all the way to the end of here. It's probably halfway in. As you can see here, it's halfway on that, halfway here, halfway here. That gave me, you know, a little bit of room so it could butt against the fender well here, as I'll show you. And when it butts against the fender well, there's a little flap here. I had to bend 2 of these down and leave that one, and it fits in a hole right here. So it fits in the fender, gives a little bit more support. And the leg, of course, it's about 1 inch too short. You know, I'll have to figure something out. But came out pretty good. I mean, saved me a shitload of money with a few little mods that took me, you know, a couple of minutes each. I don't know what I'm going to do for the leg, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure some out real quick. But yeah, so right now I'll put the air filter on. Okay, so yeah, there you go. All complete. Besides gluing the little hole underneath your straight pipe, 5 minutes. Bending 2 of these flaps and pushing that in there into your wheel well there so it sits in there. And what I did is I used a little 2-inch PVC to put under that leg to make it, you know, so it doesn't go nowhere. I mean, I would, as you could see, doesn't go nowhere, no matter how much it shakes. So yeah, that's a great little product for 45 or 49 bucks, whatever it was. What I'll do is I'll put a link down below and you can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. Check out the link below to eBay if you want to check out this little setup here. Pretty cool. Of course, remember it's going to say 99 to 03, but it fits. If you have 10 minutes to do a couple of little mods instead of spending 250 bucks, great little setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.